If you need to cancel a pending Snapchat transaction, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings and information. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Find Snapcash or Payments. Scroll down to locate the Snapcash or Payments section in the Settings menu. This is where you can manage your transactions. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have followed these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Snapchat support for further assistance.